Attention all seniors, don't let your legs slow you down, maintenance is key. If you're experiencing knee pain, don't take the wrong path. Follow these few methods to keep knee pain at bay. While many diseases are preventable and controllable, it seems like rheumatism and arthritis are always waiting to strike. But did you know that 1 in 25 adults worldwide suffers from joint pain, with more young people affected every year? In fact, according to the Ministry of Health's Basic Medical Care Survey, muscle and bone pain is the fourth most common ailment. As we age, our muscles and bones weaken and become less coordinated, making us more susceptible to joint injuries. Furthermore, our bones and cartilage become less elastic and supple, causing pain and discomfort. Don't forget about past injuries or overexertion, they can also lead to arthritis. So, what can you do to alleviate joint pain and take care of your knees in your daily life? First and foremost, understand the cause of your knee pain. Glucosamine, a natural amino sugar, plays a crucial role in nourishing and protecting cartilage, and thus joint health. However, our bodies produce less glucosamine as we age, causing the cartilage to wear down and become rough, leading to pain and discomfort. This is where specialized nutritional supplements, like glucosamine, can help. In fact, glucosamine has become a commonly used nutritional supplement in the past 10 years. But did you know that herbal remedies can also promote joint health? Traditional herbs, like morinda, epimedium, sambucus, drinaria, and turmeric, can have a great protective effect on your joints. Don't let joint pain slow you down, take action today to keep your knees and joints healthy and strong. Hey there, do you suffer from joint pain and stiffness? As we age, our bodies become more prone to wear and tear, especially in our legs. But fear not, because we have the ultimate solution to keep your joints healthy and strong. Introducing Quadway Active Joint, the all-natural joint patent supplement from Singapore that not only eases the pain of arthritis but also repairs damaged joint tissue for a long-lasting relief. Our powerful patented formula contains 9 carefully selected ingredients, including glucosamine sulfate 2-KCl, chondroitin sulfate, methyl-sulfonyl-methane, type 2 collagen, and potent herbs such as morinda officinalis, epimedium, sambucus, drinaria, and turmeric. Each of these ingredients has been scientifically proven to support joint health and function, reducing inflammation, relieving pain, and promoting bone density. For example, morinda officinalis has been traditionally used in Chinese medicine to strengthen bones and kidneys, and treat osteoporosis and necrosis of the femoral head, while epimedium helps to increase bone synthesis and reduce bone resorption, preventing fractures and gouty arthritis. Sambucus and drinaria are also excellent for reducing swelling, bruising, and soreness caused by rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and other joint conditions. Turmeric, on the other hand, has been shown to inhibit the activity of uric acid and alpha-glucosidase, 2 enzymes that contribute to gout and diabetes. But that's not all. We also have an advanced formula called Ultra Joint, which provides even stronger anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits. Don't let joint pain slow you down, trust Quadway Active Joint and Ultra Joint to keep you feeling strong and mobile for years to come. So why wait? Say goodbye to joint pain and hello to a happier, healthier life with Quadway Active Joint and Ultra Joint. Try them now and feel the difference. Quadway Ultra Joint retail price is 58 Singapore dollars only. Is available in Singapore pharmacies, OG, Mustafa, Yuehua, and Chinese medicinal stores. For more information, please visit www.yumtrade.com. You may also contact us for inquiries on products, purchases, or delivery at 6562-5526. 6562-5526.